Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is one step at a time. No matter if you're taking it one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 second at a time, as long as you're moving forward every single day, because in no time you're going to be crossing the finish line. Don't worry about how far it is. Don't worry about the obstacles it's going to take to get there. Just keep chopping at that tree every single day, and in no time you're going to be in your manifestations and your blessing. I see the mountain ahead, and I dedicate myself to taking one small step at a time. I make progress by staying focused on the present moment, the current task, and therefore I regain my ease of living, and in no time, I'm in my blessing. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.